So today I wanted to show you guys a cool website since we're learning about fractions. This website will help us see how fractions look, and it will help us get some practice in. So it's Phet, P-H for the P-H, and then E-T. You're going to go ahead and type that in, and then it should be the very first one where it says Phet. Free online physics, chemistry, biology, earth science. Go ahead and click on that. And then after you click on that, you're going to scroll down a little bit because we need to go ahead and click on math. And then after that, this page should load, and we're going to scroll down a little bit as well because we need to go to fractions intro. And it should have a picture like of a cake or a pie. We're going to click on that. Click where it has like the little play button, and then we're going to wait for it to load. Sorry. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to click on the middle, guys. So the middle one where it says game, and we're going to click on it. And you guys are going to do levels 1 through 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to start with level 1. I'm going to do 1 and 2 with you, and then you guys are going to go ahead and do it, and you guys are going to do 1 through 5. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are our fractions on the right side. We have 2/3, 1 out of 2, 1/2, 3 out of 3, which we know is 1 full. So guys, remember, the numerator is the number on top. The denominator is the number on bottom. So the bottom number, the denominator, is going to tell us how many pieces we need. So this means we're going to need 3 pieces, and you just click on the arrows to add. So now we have 2 and 3. And the numerator is going to have how many pieces we need to fill in. So how many we're going to shade, or yeah. So then we're going to go ahead, and if you look, we have a full piece right here, half, and then 1 out of 1, 2, 3. So this is the piece we're going to need. We're going to do 1, 2. And then after, so now you can see we have 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3. So 2/3. We're going to go ahead and put it right next to the fraction. Ding. That means we got it correct. And then the next one we have 1/2. So remember, 2 pieces, and we only need 1. And then we're going to go ahead and put it next to our fraction. Got it right. And this time we have 3. So 1, 2, 3. And we know 3/3 is 1 full, because if it's the same exact number on bottom and same exact number on top, so both are the same, that means it's full. So if you look, we're going to have, see, we're going to, oh, we ran out of pieces. So that means if we were to use them, we'll have to put this piece back. And we're going to have to use the full, because 3/3 is equivalent to a full. So we're going to just go ahead and put the full piece in. And then we're going to drag and see if that works. There we go. Yeah, great. And we're going to go next. And then now we have 1/2, 3/5, 4/5. So let's go ahead and do 1/2. So if you see on the bottom, like the bottom left, this shows that this is 1/2. So 1 out of 2. The next piece would be a piece for 1/3. So 1/3. And the next one would be, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this piece right here would be for 1/5. So anything in the fifths. And then the next piece, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's a little hard to see. This one's for 1/6. So we just need the half. So 1/2. Let's see. There we go. Okay, now we need to split it up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go ahead and say we grab this one. This one, you can see it's a little bit too big. It's taking up more than my one piece right here. So let's go ahead and we can put this back. And if you see, if we grab this one, you can see that there's a little bit missing still. So this one's a little bit too small. So let's say we put this in 3/5. Or let's say we did that one and then that one. Let's say we did this, because it's okay, we're still learning, so it's okay if it's a little bit confusing. We need to practice still. So if we get it wrong, it's okay. We're still practicing. So let's see what happens. So it's going to make that little noise, and then it's going to send it back. So then we're going to go ahead and press the yellow arrow, and we're going to send everything back, and we're going to get the correct piece. So it's this one. So we're going to put 1, 2, and 3. Oh. And we're going to go ahead and put it next to our fraction. Okay, now we need 4 out of 5. So that means, again, guys, the bottom number 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's say you go a little bit overboard. Like there's 6, we just got to go back. So that we have the 5. So then 4 out of 5. So we need to get 4. So we got to make sure to pay attention and see which one we need. Okay, so I know it's this one. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's 4 out of 5 pieces. So then I'm going to go ahead and put it right next to the fraction. Yay! So that was level 1 and 2. So I want you guys to go ahead and do level 1 and 2 too. And then do 3, 4, and 5. So I thought this website was really cool and fun. So I hope you guys get on and practice and have lots of fun. Thank you.